Hello guys, did you know you can also unlock your phone with Face ID while you're wearing a mask? You don't need to type your passcode every time. I will show you how it is possible. This feature is available on iPhone's update to iOS 15.4 or later. Let's start. First thing you have to do is unlock your phone, open Settings menu, tap Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. Scroll down and toggle on the Face ID with a mask. It will rescan your face. While it is rescanning, your iPhone will focus on the upper parts of your face like your eyes and forehead. And that's all. Now put on your mask and try unlocking your phone. It should unlock instantly. With this trick, you'll never have to struggle with unlocking your iPhone while wearing a mask again. If you find my video helpful, hit like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.